Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm going to share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're going to do a quick and in-depth review of Lucky Unscrew Game. So Lucky Unscrew Game is basically a game that has gone recently popular on social media application. A lot of people are talking about this because you can actually earn money by playing different simple games. As you can see, they also have their official domain information, which is a good thing. And once I tried searching for their domain and information, I got to know it was registered like 4 to 5 months ago. So this is a good thing because it has been in the market for about 6 months for now. Another good signal about this is once I tried searching for their reviews on any other platform called as Review My App, I get to know it has a pretty decent rating of 3.9 and 100k plus download. But this this page was the previous rating, and once I tried searching for their official and latest rating on the Google Play Store, they have a pretty much decent rating of 4.2 out of 5 star, which is based on more than 6,000 reviews. So this is a really green signal about this, and even 500k plus people have downloaded it. So in conclusion, I would say like this application is not a scam, and it's an authentic application because they do have their official website which is registered, and based on the reviews of 6,000 plus people, the website is legit. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video, and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.